Noti, Notuca, Matlacti, Juan, Ome, Coat, Miguel, Keninkate, One. I'm gonna pause it because then we get copyright. Hoy, today, les voy a enseñar, I'm gonna try, voy a tratar de leer Náhuatl de Jalisco, de Chris Cuautli. Today we're gonna try Náhuatl from the region of Jalisco. So here's a story that they have in this book. Of course, I put the details on the description. Ahí les pongo en donde pueden agarrar el libro. Si queremos que el náhuatl sobreviva, tenemos que apoyar a los maestros indígenas. If we want náhuatl to survive, we had to support all of the work that the indigenous Temachtianis, Temachtianime, hopefully I'm saying that right. If not, correct me. It's okay to correct me. We're all learning together. Corríjame si estoy mal, así aprendemos todos. Anyways. Coyotl Juan Tochtli. Carca se coyotl, wey Juan se tonali, ki manian mayanaya miak. Quitostakaya se tochtli pan semili. Momatiaya miak tochtli san ki matiaya pampa ayamo welitli weliti mololoa miak kawit pampa se wewet wan siwa loaya ishushoy yohke makwa tochtli mo malinak wan kishnamik koyot. He writes it differently. The different variants of náhuatl are written differently. So la gente escribe el náhuatl de diferentes maneras. Pero lo importante es pronunciarlo. The important thing is that you sound out or pronounce náhuatl so that you can hear the word and maybe the meaning. It's a spoken language, not necessarily a written language. Náhuatl se habla, no nomás se escribe.